This 2020 Coachmen Freedom Express 275 RLDS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Corinth, Texas, 76210 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Superstore. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Coachman is 31 feet 11 inches in length and features Sleep's 6, spare tire kit, external shower, refrigerator, oven, Slideout, LP detector, carbon monoxide detector, Skylight, water heater, microwave, and 49 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, mid-kitchen, rear living area, U-shaped kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2020 Coachmen Freedom Express 275 RLDS is 5,802 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.